Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. So as you can see, I've got my ingredients here. I'm gonna be making potato salad. I have my potato. I'm gonna be using 3 potatoes. I've got mayonnaise. You can use any mayonnaise that you like. I've got spring onions. I've got 1 carrot and green pepper. Here I've got aromatic. I'm gonna be using aromatic instead of salt, and I've got black pepper. And yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna start by peeling my potato. Some people, they don't peel potato, they cut it like that, but I prefer without skin because it's what I like. So if you don't mind, you can just cut it like that and boil it. I prefer to remove skin. So I'm gonna just, okay, now I'm done peeling. I'm gonna just cut. So you have to cut in 3 pieces first, like this, and divide in 2 each piece. Then now you have to cut in cubes. Like I'm done cutting my potato. This is the size that we need, not too big, not too small, just normal size. So now I'm gonna just put them in the pot. I'm gonna peel my carrots as well, because we have to boil carrots along with potatoes. It also take a little time, so I'm gonna just boil it along with my potato. Because it's too thick, I'm gonna just cut in the middle like so, make it 2 pieces. And then I'm gonna be cutting this size. Okay, now we're done. I'm gonna put it in the potato pot. Okay, now we're going to boil potato until it's like 8% done. Don't overcook them. Okay guys, now I'm gonna be cutting my spring onion and green pepper while waiting for my potato to get done. So let me make it one to make this, because it's thick. I'm gonna just cut in the middle until somewhere there, then I'll continue chopping like so. Then I'm gonna be chopping. So this is the size that we need, and here you don't need to divide, just continue chopping like this. See? Okay, done cutting onion. Now I'm gonna be cutting my green pepper. I'm gonna slice first like so. Okay, then I'm gonna be chopping it. Done. So I just finish cutting. Okay, now my potato is done. I strained water already and I let it cool down for 10-15 minutes, because you have to let it cool down completely before adding the other ingredients. So now I'm adding my green pepper and spring onion that I prepared earlier. So now I'm going to be adding my aromatic and black pepper. Okay, for mayonnaise, you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons. I like mayonnaise, so I'm adding more. If you don't, you can add 1 or 2. The taste is still gonna be same. Okay, now we're gonna give a good mix to make sure everything comes together. Okay, after mixing everything, it's gonna look like so. This is so yummy, guys. I promise you. Try out and let me know in the comment section how it came out. Thank you so much for watching.